I am Daniel, servant of the Most High God. Let me tell you about my friends and their unwavering faith. In the land of Babylon, King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden statue as tall as a mountain. He ordered everyone to bow down and worship it, or face a fiery death. But my friends Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stood tall, their faith unshaken. They said, "Our God can save us from the fire, O king."
But even if he doesn't, we will never bow to your statue.
The king's face turned as red as the flames he commanded to be stoked 7 times hotter. The furnace roared like a hungry lion. My friends were thrown into the blazing furnace, but something amazing happened. The king leaped to his feet. "Didn't we throw 3 men into the fire?" he gasped.
Look, I see 4 men walking around in the fire unharmed.
The 4th looked like a son of the gods, protecting my friends from the flames. When my friends walked out, not even a hair on their heads was singed. Their clothes didn't even smell of smoke. It was as if the fire never touched them. Their faith had conquered the flames, and even the king praised their God. Remember, faith doesn't fear the fire, even if he does not save us from trials. He is still worthy of our trust.